I'm also gonna show you how to do a really easy makeup because I don't have a lot of time in the morning or ever. And so when I do apply makeup on my face, I don't really go overboard. I just use a couple of different products. And yes, I am wearing a wig because, well, there is a color underneath that you haven't seen and I don't want to spoil the surprise, which will come in the following videos. So let's get started. So I use Sunsense Daily Face Invisible Finish on my face. As a concealer, I've been very happy with the Soap & Glory Kick-Ass Concealer in Lite. Love the name, by the way. It has a great coverage. There is even setting powder underneath the concealer, which I don't use very often. Now I proceed to applying powder. I never use liquid foundation, just this. It's the Clinique Super Powder Double Face Makeup in 07 Matte Neutral. I have been using this ever since my friend told me about it about 20 years ago, but this one is not 20 years old. I keep getting new ones every once in a while. And now these are freaking amazing. My mom told me about these brow pens and how she uses them instead of eyeliner / eyeshadow, and I was hooked. It's genius. So they are the Maybelline brown satin pens, and I switch between dark brown and black brown depending on my mood and the current color of my hair. Oh, and you will need to screw the top on to release new powder from the pen. So I do one eye, close the pen, second eye, close the pen, and then I use the same pen and do my eyebrows. How convenient! After that, I go over my eyebrows with a little brush to soften the line. Next, I use eyelash curler, and that makes a massive difference. Okay, nowadays I use the Falsies Lash Lift from Maybelline, and it's a good mascara. I'm happy with it. But as of right now, what you see in this video, I picked up one which looks exactly the same, but it's waterproof. But I have nothing to remove it with. I ended up using sunflower cooking oil mixed with my makeup remover to somehow get rid of it, and I lost so many lashes. Oh my god. And the last one is blush powder, again from Clinique in shade 109 Pink Love. I'm actually not sure if this shade is still available because my blusher is like 10 years old. And for lips, I'm using Maybelline Baby Lips Electro. I have some other lipsticks and lip glosses, but this one I use the most. It softens my lips and gives a nice tint. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hair videos and other videos. Give it a like, say hello in the comment section, and I will see you next week. Bye!